Wondering how celebs like Kim Kardashian and Jennifer Aniston are keeping their skin flawless? They're raving about the latest K-beauty treatment, Rejuran. Rejuran is made from polynucleotides, which are fragments of DNA derived from salmon. This salmon DNA works to repair and rejuvenate your skin from within. It boosts your natural collagen production, smooths fine lines, and improves your skin texture, giving you a natural and refreshed look. Now that we know what it is, let's hear from one of our patients who are loving their results.
Hi guys, it's Mimi here at BeautyFix MedSpa. I am one of the injectors. I came in today to get my second Rejuran facial. Rejuran is our salmon DNA facial that is all the buzz right now. So I responded so well after my first facial, and I'm trying to get ready for my brother's wedding. He's getting married, and I want that glass-like skin appearance. And this is the product that you should get if you want to be glowing and have that beautiful glass-like skin appearance. So this product stimulates collagen production, elastin production, proteoglycan production, which increases hydration in the skin, and it reduces melanin, which means it's great for hyperpigmentation and under eye circles. So I'm so excited to see my results. So stay tuned for my results.